Hi everyone, I am Usha and today I am here to tell you about the amazing INALSA Ozoy Plus Vacuum Cleaner. This upright vacuum cleaner easily switches from an upright stick vacuum to a handheld vacuum with just the press of a button. It is designed to reach hard-to-reach areas under beds, sofas and other furniture. It is equipped with a powerful 700-watt motor and a suction power of up to 14 kilopascals, which can suck out even the smallest of dust and particles. It features enhanced and washable HEPA filters, which can capture up to 99.97% of debris, dander and dust. So if you're looking for a powerful vacuum cleaner that is easy to use and can help you clean even the toughest of corners, then the INALSA Ozoy Plus Vacuum Cleaner is the perfect choice for you. Get yours now.
When it comes to buying a vacuum cleaner, there are several factors to consider to ensure you get the best product that suits your cleaning needs and keeps your home tidy. Vacuum cleaners come in various types, including upright, canister, handheld, and robot vacuums. Here's a comprehensive buying guide to help you make the right choices. Type of vacuum cleaner. Upright vacuum. Ideal for deep cleaning carpets and large areas. They are easy to maneuver and typically come with attachments for versatile cleaning. Canister vacuum. Suitable for homes with a mix of carpets and hard floors. The canister design allows for more flexibility and easier cleaning of stairs and corners. Handheld vacuum. Perfect for quick spot cleaning, car interiors and small messes. They are compact and lightweight for easy portability. Robot vacuum. Offers autonomous cleaning, navigating around obstacles and under furniture. Great for daily maintenance, cleaning and busy households. Suction power. Higher suction power results in better cleaning performance, especially for deep cleaning carpets and picking up pet hair. Look for vacuum cleaners with adjustable suction settings. Filtration system. A good filtration system traps dust, allergens and particles, preventing them from being released back into the air. HEPA filters are highly effective in capturing fine particles. Bagged or bagless. Bagged vacuum cleaners hold more dirt but require replacement bags. Bagless vacuum cleaners have dirt containers that can be emptied, eliminating the need for bags. Corded or cordless. Corded vacuums offer continuous power but are limited by the cord length. Cordless vacuums provide more flexibility but have limited battery life. Battery life for cordless vacuums. If choosing a cordless vacuum, consider the battery life to ensure it can clean your home adequately without frequent recharging. Runtime for robot vacuums. For robot vacuums, longer run times are beneficial, especially for larger homes. Some models have the ability to return to their charging dock and resume cleaning after recharging. Navigation and mapping. For robot vacuums. Advanced robot vacuums use mapping technology to navigate efficiently and avoid obstacles. Some models allow you to set virtual boundaries for targeted cleaning. Cleaning modes and schedule for robot vacuums. Look for robot vacuums with multiple cleaning modes, example auto, spot, edge, and the ability to schedule cleaning sessions for convenience. Noise level. Consider the noise level of the vacuum, especially if you have sensitive ears or need to clean during quiet hours. Maintenance and cleaning. Choose a vacuum cleaner with easy to clean components and user-friendly maintenance requirements. By considering these factors, you can choose a vacuum cleaner that meets your cleaning needs, keeps your home spick and span, and simplifies your cleaning routine. Happy shopping!